Good morning. Welcome to our computer class. Today we have to discuss about special keys and working of some special keys. Special key means it can perform special task. Special keys are situated near the alphabetic keys. So, enter key, spacebar, backspace, caps lock and delete key are some examples for special keys. Let's see the working of some special keys. First one, enter key. Enter key is the master key on the keyboard. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line and also used to open a file or a program. Okay, so enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line, also used to open a file or a program. Enter key is the master key on the keyboard. So, for example, Arun wants to type number 1 to 10. He has typed up to 3. Okay, next he typed number 4. So in this time the cursor is near to number 3. Okay, when pressing enter key the cursor shifted to the next line, so he typed number 4. Okay, so this is example. So enter key is the master key on the keyboard. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Cursor means mouse pointer. Okay, enter key is also used to open a file or a program. Next one, space bar. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. Spacebar is used to put a space between two words. Okay, put a space between two words. Next one, caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to get capital letters. Caps lock key is used to get capital letter. On pressing caps lock key, a small light glows on the keyboard. This indicates that the text you type will shown in capital letter on the screen. So to get small letter, again press caps lock key. This time the light will go off. This indicates that the text you type will shown in small letters. Okay, so caps lock key means it is used to get capital letter. While pressing caps lock key, a small light glows on the keyboard. This indicates the text you type, all the text will shown in capital letters on the screen. Okay, to get small letter, again press caps lock key. This time the light is go off. This indicates that the text you type will on shown in small letters. Okay, next one, delete key. Delete key means it is a eraser key in the keyboard. It is used to remove the mistakes. So, while pressing delete key, it remove letter from right side of the cursor. Okay, so it is also used to delete a file or folder. Backspace key to remove such mistakes. So, while pressing backspace key, it remove letter from left side of the cursor. Okay, so delete key and backspace keys are used to same function, so that is to remove such mistakes. But delete key, it remove the letters from right side of the cursor, and backspace key, it remove the letter from left side of the cursor. Okay, this is the difference. Next one, shift key. Okay, shift key. Shift key means some keys have two symbols on them. Okay, shift key have two symbols on them. The upper symbol of a key is called upper character and lower symbol is called lower character. Okay, shift key is used to type upper characters. Okay, shift key is used to type upper characters. For example, okay, he typed Tom using alphabetic keys. Okay, Tom is the word. It word typed using alphabetic keys TOM. Now he pressed the shift key, then the numeric key 7. So we will see this one ampersand. Okay, we will see the symbol ampersand. So that is the usage for shift key. So shift key is used to get upper character of a key. Okay, some keys have two symbols. Okay, key means the keyboard can contain different types of buttons is called keys. So some keys have two symbols on them. One symbol is called upper character and another symbol, lower symbol, is called lower character. So shift key is used to type upper characters of a key. Okay, so all of you clear working of some special keys? Thank you.